Welcome to my channel CA Joim. Today we shall discuss 6 changes made to GST Act with effect from 22nd June 2024. Hi friends, there was a GST Council meeting scheduled on 22nd June 2024 मतलब ये गए सैटरडे को लास्ट वीक के उसमें बहुत सारे GST में चेंजेस आए हुए हैं जो हम पार्ट बाय पार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे पर जो 6 मेन वेलकम चेंजेस इन द GST दैट हैव बीन ब्रॉट आउट आर वेरी गुड फॉर द टैक्स पेयर्स एज वेल एज फॉर द डिपार्टमेंट CBIC. So these 6 changes are covered in today's, and you go through my PowerPoint presentation also. It will help you, and if you have got any queries you can always mail me. I will be happy to help. Out of those 6 welcome changes, the first one is amendment of rule 88B of the CGST rules. अब अगर आपके पास इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैश लेजर में टैक्स पेड है, ऑलरेडी पैसे आपने जमा करके रखे हुए हैं और GSTR 3B फाइल करने में लेट हो रहा है आपको, तो जो सेक्शन 50 का इंटरेस्ट एंड पेनल्टी है, टोटल GST अमाउंट माइनस जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैश लेजर में पड़ा है ना, अब उस पर इंटरेस्ट पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. GSTR 3B लेट फाइलिंग का पेनल्टी जो है हर महीने के 20 तारीख को भरना पड़ता है. उस दिन तक जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैश लेजर में अमाउंट अवेलेबल है उस पे कोई इंटरेस्ट पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बैलेंस लाइबिलिटी पे ही सिर्फ आपको इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. दिस इज ए गुड अमेंडमेंट. इट विल सेव कैश आउटफ्लो ऑल्सो. अब GSTR 1 जो आपका सेल्स डिटेल्स का ब्यौरा है वो आप या तो 11 तारीख या 13 तारीख हर महीने को फाइल करते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द लेवल ऑफ ऑपरेटर यू आर. नाउ इन दिस a new GSTR 1A form has been introduced under which you can amend the original GSTR 1 filed, but this can be done only till the due date of filing GSTR 3B. मतलब 20th तक amend कर लो. जनरली GSTR 2A के पर्टिकुलर्स 13-14 तारीख तक अपलोड होता है ऑनलाइन. अमेंड ये वो होते रहता है सप्लायर से या आपसे खुद से. तो अब आप GSTR 1 अमेंड कर सकते हैं बाय अ न्यू फॉर्म GSTR 1A on the site. You can amend the ITC upward or downward. You can amend the sales detail. You can amend the B2B to B2C details in that, the amount, the tax invoice. All these amendments can be made even after you file your GSTR 1A on 11th or 13th of every month, subject to the condition it has to be done before the filing of due date, before the due date of filing GSTR 3B. Now one more amendment is that for financial year 23-24 there is exemption to file GSTR 9 and 9A जो annual return है for those traders or business people whose aggregate annual turnover is up to rupees 2 crores. So this facility has been extended to financial year 23-24 as well. The due date for filing GSTR 4 annual return for composition dealers is 30th April. From financial year 24-25 the due date will be now 30th June. So it will give some time to the composition dealers to align their returns and file the annual return. So instead of 30th April, from financial year 24-25 onwards GSTR 4 form का due date हो गया है 30th June. Fifth amendment, welcome amendment, is that the threshold for reporting business to consumers, that is B2C sales, has been reduced from 2.5 to 1 lakh so that the department has knowledge of every such sales that is being made. This is to be done in table 5 of GSTR 1. Now in this, if it is a GSTR 1, you can amend it later on by virtue of, मैंने बताया ना GSTR 1 है, but it has to be done by the due date of filing GSTR 3B. So the threshold for reporting B2C interstate supplies in table 5 of GSTR 1 will be has been reduced from 2.5 lakh to just 1 lakh rupees. टेबल 5 आपको भरना पड़ेगा. अब the last welcome amendment, this is 6. There are many changes. I will cover it in separate videos one by one. Now the 6th welcome amendment is the return in form GSTR 7 to be filed by registered taxpayer who are liable to deduct TDS in GST. तो रूल GSTR 7 फॉर्म अभी इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया जो हर महीने फाइल करना है फॉर पीपल हु आर रिक्वायर्ड टू डिडक्ट TDS in GST. Even if the TDS is not deducted in a particular month, still GSTR 7 needs to be filed showing the details of the amount and there is a threshold for TDS. तो TDS नहीं भी काटे तो अभी आपको GSTR 7 has to be filed under section 51 of the CGST Act every month. For dealers who are liable to deduct TDS, remember this point, even if no TDS is deducted, still you have to file this return with a nil TDS so that the department has details of all the transaction which is being done without TDS. So these are the welcome 6 changes in GST, Vide 22nd June 2024. There will be 2 more split videos on the recommendations of that council which is for the betterment. So we'll be back and please like and subscribe to the videos.